Good morning, everybody. Perfect Storm Trading here. Tuesday morning, 16th of November. Quick review of timing windows from yesterday, and then we'll take a look at the Bitcoin daily bar chart at our reversal timing points. So in the first window, we got the new high. I had put out these blocks and these pivot point timers in yesterday's video in the pre-market period, probably around 6 o'clock. And then I had the arrows, boxes, and lines drawn. And you see when we got to the beginning of the box, we made a corrective low and had a nice 10-point plus push up to the first timer inside the window, the blue line, which was the green A1 block. You always want to be looking inside these blocks and these timing windows for the trend change. So we hit that, headed down. We had two overlapping indications here. The red was the rainbow and the green was from the planetary hour pH chart. We made a minor low, just triggered a little bit of a correction for a couple bars, traded down into the next signal, this red arrow here, which became the low for that swing. And then we had a little bit of a upward sideways correction for about an hour. We got to the end of the window, and right in front of the green block at the window change, we got the reversal of trend. There was also a rainbow indicator there. Important when these line up. So you got another short opportunity there. And that traded down to the next rainbow trigger right here. We then double bottomed with the second bottom coming right at the beginning of the next timing window, which gave us the low. So we had the new high in the first window and the new low right at the beginning of the second window. We traded up into the blue line here, which was for the green A1 indicator, and we also had a pH timer there, and that's where the change of trend took place. So we pushed down, and then when you get indicators close, sometimes you get the pivot right in the middle, which is what happened here. Back up, then we hit the second blue line, which was the white A1 window, and that was at the end of the day at 4:15, so we just went flat at that point. So that's that's a recap of yesterday. You can see the triggers, timing windows are good as usual. I'm going to flip over to the Bitcoin daily chart and we'll take a look and update our swing points. Okay, here's Bitcoin. If you've seen the prior Bitcoin videos, I had the timing points on here. I think I started doing this in September, so I've left all those past points on. I've got the November points listed here. You can see I had the 11-2, the 5th-6, and then we came to the 11th. So we reviewed those already. The 5th-6, we had the here's the second, the high on the second. We had this low on the 6th. We traded up off of that November 6th. We came up and we made a spike high on the 10th, so we were one day early. I had the 11th as the projection. The turn came one day early there, but now I want to show you a new math technique and a couple projections off of that. So what I've done, I've taken these two swings marked by the red trend lines, the July low to the early September high, and then down to the September 21st low here. So the run up was 49 days. You can see that there. The run down was 14 days. So what I've done, I've made two projections off of that. The first one goes out 21 bars, which kicks in 21 days, 21 bars, kicks in here on this day. On 10/12, what happened? The day before was a timing indicator. The very next day we had another cycle intervening, flipped the market back up right there. The second timing indicator was 26 days later, which was right here by this green arrow, which was this minor low, ended up being the end of a 2-day correction. Again, you can see we had a timing date here on October 15th, came down 2 days. The intervening cycle here, which I just put in, flipped it back up and sent it up for 4 days. So these can be made off of any swings or any high to high, low to low, anything you want to use. You can do this sort of math. You can reverse engineer this by taking the dates I've given out. So there you go. You got the clue. This is a really good uh, pivot reversal prediction tool. That's it for today. We'll be back again Wednesday. We'll talk to you then.